Hello? Hello guys, welcome to our live stream. This is Ramon talking. And welcome to our live stream. This is actually a new upgrade about our P-Series PBX. We got a lot of function here. So yeah, we will wait for a couple of minutes because people are coming in to our live streaming and so we're gonna wait for them and then we're gonna start, okay? Hello guys. Yeah, hello. I see you. I can actually see your chat here. Hello. Well, we got audiences from all over the world. Hello from Poland. Hello from Paris. Hello from France. Buongiorno. Yeah, you're from Vincent is from Italy, right? Hello from Kenya. Hello from South Africa. Yeah. Good to see you guys. Good to see our partners from all over the world. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually a very important upgrade. We have so many new features. I believe you guys see that already. Hi from Mozambique. Hi. Hello. Hi from Munich. Hello, Dean. Hi from Munich. Hi from Singapore. Wow, all around the world. And Melbourne. Great. It feels so good having our audiences from all over the world joining this event and see our new upgrade, our new features, and today we will show you guys how this thing works. Okay, don't worry about it. I think you guys already know some of the new features that we have prepared. Hi from Greece, from Nepal, from Winterling. Sorry if I pronounced that incorrectly. From France, from Netherlands, from Egypt, and Greece. Wow, good morning, good guys. Well, that's been great. Well, it actually has been a while. Yeah, our last live streaming was in last year, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, we have a lot of features to talk about. Our teams are working so hard. From Dubai, okay, all right. From UAE, from Germany, from Angola. All right, that's great. Good. This is basically an Olympic 2023 by A-Star. Okay, actually one thing, I think our team has sent out a link about a campaign called Piloting 2023. You guys, if you will, we're still waiting for the audiences to come in. So yeah, guys, please click on the link and check this contest because the winner will get a round ticket to Xiamen. Okay, I'm still warming up. Round ticket to Xiamen, China. This is our city. We will fly you over and send you back. So yeah, please join our contest. Okay. Of course, we will be talking about this a little bit later, for sure. Yeah, from all over the world and surroundings. Hello, guys. Hello, Adam. Hello, Adam. Yeah, hello, guys from Philippines, about all over the world. Great. So yeah, I think you guys might notice that Jason's not here. Yeah. So I guess I might have. Well, he's supposed to be here. I guess I might have to start this live stream alone. Okay. So the thing is, guys, we will start, okay? So the thing is, guys, we have so many features, so many new components to talk about today. We have done a lot to upgrade our cold calling experience with P-Series PBX. As you can see here on our title, your calling experience elevated, right? So we add new features, new integrations, new components into our solution to give you a complete solution. More options, more flexibilities, better experience. The whole thing is improved. Well, and we will show you that today. But actually, so far, the best improvement for me personally is the fact that I have my live studio for myself finally. So, but it won't last because we will have to have Jason here to start the live stream, right? It's not a one-man show, so I guess I will have to make a phone call to Jason and see where is he. right? This is my phone here. Yeah, as you can see, this is my phone. Yeah, this is my phone. And we got Jason here. Actually, I want to see him in the eye and ask him why is he late. So I will give him a call, a video call. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, Jason,
Ramon,
where are you?
How's it going? Yeah,
Where are
I'm
you?
just on the way. Is it started?
Yeah, it started.
Yeah, I'm on the way. I'm right over
Okay,
here.
come on in, quick.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
there you go. Hey, this is me from Jason's
Sure,
phone.
yeah. This is the studio.
Yeah, good. Okay,
Yeah.
come on in.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Well, I guess I'm just late.
Oh, you are.
Well, I'm gonna hang up. Okay.
You were running?
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm running.
Yeah, okay. So, guys, this is actually our first
That's
function to talk about.
Yeah,
the
sure.
new function, which is video call on Linkus
Linkus mobile client. Yeah, I believe you guys already checked on this.
Yeah.
And actually, we played this trick before. I
Yeah.
think we just uploaded a video on YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You know, a day before.
Yeah. You will play this a little bit before.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, the thing is, guys, now we have video calls on Linkus mobile.
Sure,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's very easy to.
Yeah, it's actually very easy to figure out,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's really cool, guys.
Yeah.
Think about it. Next time you can just grab your mobile, make a video call.
Yeah. And it's it has been so long. A lot of people
Sure.
are asking for this feature. People need videos on your phones.
Exactly.
Then here we go. Here we got it. And by the way, one thing before we move on to the next one.
Sure,
Yeah. So if you're using an iPhone, as I do, so this feature is already there.
Yep.
Right. We are gonna need a little bit more time for the Android version for the
Exactly.
Android phones because you guys know there are so many brands,
so many
models,
brands. Right,
deeply
exactly.
customized systems
Sure.
with Android. So we're working on that. It will take a little bit more time, but guys, we will make it as soon as possible.
Yeah.
But if your customer is now using an iPhone,
Yeah. Please just try it out.
Try it
All
out, okay?
Make
Here
a
we
video
go.
call.
yeah. Whoa, we got fat. It's effective with which plan? Enterprise, Ultimate.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's the
Ultimate.
ultimate plan.
No, it's a video
video
function.
call, right?
It's a video
Yeah.
call, video function. Yeah,
course.
this is it. Okay, so I guess that's it.
Yeah, that's
It's
the
a simple
first one. That's
Yeah.
the first important update.
Yeah.
And what's the next one, by the way?
Yeah, the next one. The next one is also a video-related feature.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right. It's also video related. And the next one, it's gonna be the video preview feature on our P-Series system.
Yeah, a video feature. What is it?
Video preview, like I said.
Yeah, what is it?
Okay, good question. All right. Pretty
Yeah.
sure we're not going to use video preview on our Linkus client. It's
Yeah.
going to be a feature supported on your intercoms.
Yeah.
You have a bunch of door phones, an indoor station, outdoor station. Anyway, fully integrated solution. Well, by the way, you guys already know that. We can support the integration with a bunch of intercoms.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a perfect solution,
Yeah.
by the way.
Yeah.
So
now we have to make this video preview specifically
that's
for
right.
this situation.
Sure.
Yeah. But I guess we will have to show you.
yeah,
right?
it is possible. We have
real-
this big studio. We can just make it work.
Yeah.
Show you guys right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. So let's just find it out.
Sure.
Okay. I guess.
How about you just, get
Yeah.
out of this room?
Yeah. I have to find a door phone. Okay.
Sure,
See you
yeah.
guys a little bit later.
Okay, we're gonna kick Ramon out of this studio, all right? I'm just gonna stay over here. And as Ramon mentioned, there's a door phone, there's an outdoor station, and we're just gonna wait for a while and let's see what's gonna happen when Ramon uses this outdoor station. Simply press the button, ring the bell, that kind of thing. And I will absolutely stay over here, check on my web client, and let's see what's gonna happen later when he pressed the button. There you go, just wait for a while, all right? So anyway, I'm gonna check on my web client, make sure my web client is working now. Okay, now let's just wait for Ramon.
Hello, guys. Do you guys see me? Yes. Yes, I am here. So, as Jason has explained, we work with door phones with this function, right? So I will explain just a little bit how it works. So if you're outside the door, well, you will have an outdoor station, right? Our phone system, as you guys know, can integrate with door phones with intercoms so that you can use your all the terminals from your phone system as additional indoor station. So that means you can realize intercom with this outdoor station and do door opening with your Linkus Web, Linkus Mobile, and of course a desktop and your IP phone with video, perhaps, of course. So, but this time we have made a enhancement on this function to make it more suitable for the door station. We will show you, okay? So now I will press the button to let Jason buzz me in, okay? Here we go.
Well, guys, check out my web client. Now we got this video preview, right? You guys can see Ramon's out there. Of course, let's just open the door for him. All right, come on, Ramon, stop there. All right, you're weird. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so apparently we need to use the feature code to open the door. That's it. So you guys can simply use the dial pad, use the feature code. It depends on your configuration, by the way. Press it and the door will be open. Come on in, by the way. Don't stay there. All right, come on in. Okay.
Yeah, it's not that big a studio.
Sure. But anyway, I believe now you guys just figure out how it works, right?
Yeah.
It's a perfect solution this time, especially you want to use your, the intercom system with your phone system. That's a perfect solution. Next time, whoever out there, well, I don't need to pick up the call right now. I can just check on it to figure out who's out there.
Yeah, well, this is a typical usage for intercom, video intercom. Yeah, you see the video before you answer the call, right? To decide if you want to talk to the guy or if you want to open the door for the visitor. Of course, this is how it works.
You guys can use this feature on your web client. You can also use it on your desktop client. Don't forget it.
Don't forget about it.
Also, the Google Chrome extension also works as well.
It also works.
Sure.
Okay. I guess we already spoiled it.
Sure. Yeah.
We mentioned Linkus Desktop many times.
Yeah. I was thinking about maybe I can, just hide this feature for a while, but well, I just spell it.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, there is one other feature that we will talk about today, which is Linkus Desktop Client.
Right.
Once again, this is a highly demanded feature.
Yeah, especially you have project.
Yeah,
it's really important. Lots of customers, they really want to have a desktop client rather than just using the web client.
Yeah, it probably will bring you more opportunities with the desktop client. So you asked for it, here we got it.
That's right. We bring you guys the new desktop client for your P-Series system.
As you can see, this is my computer. And here we got Linkus Desktop Client.
Right.
So let's double click. And check out.
Yeah, let's just log in.
Yeah, but it's automatically logging.
Sure.
Right. Okay.
Yep. Now you guys can see this is, I think this is my user account, right? So it looks very familiar for all of us, right? You log into your desktop client, you will be able to see this is your user account information, and this is the dial pad. You want to make a call, just make a call. And you can also manage your presence for your collaboration easily, right? Now, by the way, if you got your IP phone configured, well, the CTI is also supported, right? Oh, by the way, the function key is right over here. If you need it, well, just go configure it.
Yeah, so basically all the features are embedded in the desktop client, right? And there are features that are highly related to web, like our video conference. Yeah, that's based on WebRTC, so we will have to use web. But we leave the interface here, the axis here. You just click and the system will jump directly into the video conference session of your extension.
Right.
Yeah, and so it works for operator panel,
call center
and call center console.
Yeah, it's a quick access.
It's a quick access.
Anytime you want to use it, go click on it.
Yeah, so it will jump directly into the interface, right? And by the way, your call logs, your voicemails, your recordings, all of those status are also
fully synchronized from your P-Series system.
So
that's just the thing I mentioned. Exactly, you will have the same thing here as what you have on your web client.
Yeah, so if you guys are interested, you can now go into our website to download this. Here. To download this new desktop client.
Sure.
Okay. Our team has already sent. Has already sent the link, the download link in the chat, I believe, and you can directly get into the chat and find out the installation package. Right.
Well, by the way, guys, check on this screen, okay? Just have a check. Be careful, all right? When you guys try to download the Linkus Desktop Client, pretty sure you will see there are two options, right? On my left hand, you can see the new desktop client. This is exactly the one we were talking about for your P-Series system.
For your P-Series PBX, right? This is the desktop client for P-Series PBX. If you're using P-Series, use this one.
That's right. It supports Windows, it supports Mac OS.
Yeah.
And another one, guys, on my right hand here, it will be Linkus Lite. Well, be careful. This one is actually for S-Series system.
Yeah, this one is for S-Series system. Well, for the S-Series system, the interfaces, the function will remain the same.
Sure,
okay?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So just don't get confused, all right? Choose the right one.
Yeah, will remain the same as the old S-Series desktop client, right? So all those, so the new interfaces, the new UI you just saw are on P-Series only, okay?
Exactly.
Yeah,
and
just be careful.
Once again, check in the chat panel, please, okay? Our colleagues just shared the link in the chat panel. You go click on that link, you can access this download page directly.
Yeah, this is how it works.
Sure.
Okay, so now that we have the desktop.
Yeah, we just get the desktop. That means we have more opportunities, guys.
Yeah, because, well, there are many third-party solutions that are...
Third-party. I guess you can just make it straightforward.
Yeah, well, okay. Microsoft 365 are heavily based on clients.
That's the solution we were talking about.
But heavily based on clients, right? So if you are using a client like we do, you can make the reintegration, but not on web. So now, as soon as we make the Linkus Desktop Client, now we got integration with Microsoft.
A bunch of solutions are going to be supported this time. So which one are we going to talk about at the very beginning?
Let's see. The first one will be Outlook.
Yeah, let's take a look. Well, guys, Outlook, this is nothing new, right? I believe you guys, I'm pretty sure you guys use Outlook a lot for your daily work. We use Outlook to manage our contacts. We use it to handle our emails. Lots of things we can do. This is kind of like a mini CRM.
Yeah. So basically, you have your contacts already there. So you would want to make a phone call from your Outlook.
Yeah, exactly. Right? It makes sense.
Right?
That's reasonable.
Yeah. It won't be possible if we don't have a desktop client.
Sure.
But now here it is.
Yeah. Now take a look. Please take a look.
Yeah.
See, this is my Outlook interface. I just have two contacts, by the way. Okay. But it works. So if I want to make a call to Ramon right now, we can just right-click on it, and we will have this option, Call with Linkus Desktop, and just make a call. There you go. I'm going to send this call to Ramon's phone.
And
just pick it up, please.
Here we go.
Yeah, there you go. You guys can see it's so easy. Everything can be so simplified this time.
Yeah.
If I want to call him, I'm just going to use my Outlook. Make this call with my Linkus directly.
Yeah, and you do not only make internal calls with your colleagues.
That's right.
You can also make outbound calls.
Sure
with no problem at all.
Yeah.
Okay, with no problem at all. Outbound calls. Okay. So if you have contacts, your customers, your providers over there, you can just directly call from Outlook, and the call will be reached to them.
Yeah.
Simple
use your
as
Linkus.
that. Yeah. And well, this is Outlook.
Yeah, I guess this is just like a little
appetizer
at the very beginning.
Yeah.
So what else?
Well, we have another feature actually integrated, which will be Microsoft Teams.
Oh,
Teams integration.
That's something really awesome, right?
Yeah.
Pretty sure Teams is highly demanded.
Yeah.
From lots of different markets.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, if you guys remember correctly, we did have a integration with Microsoft Teams. It is published
back in a couple of years.
2021.
Right.
Yeah, 2021. So there you can realize the integration through a middleware.
Yeah, that's like a direct routing solution.
Yeah, it's a direct routing solution. So that means you will still have your customer will still have to pay for the middleware, right?
To a third party.
To a third party. So this time we decide to upgrade it since we have the desktop.
Yeah.
And now we can realize integration from client to client without any middleware.
Yeah, let's just get rid of them. We're going to build the direct integration.
Yeah, that means no extra charge.
Free, guys.
Yeah, this is how it works.
That's the key word.
This is how it works. Okay, so let's just show how it works, and then we will explain everything else a little bit later. Okay.
Sure thing. Yeah. So let's have a check here.
Yeah.
All right. So first of all, we're gonna open our Teams.
Yeah, this is our
Microsoft
Teams. Yeah.
Yes, this is something very popular. I believe you guys are quite familiar with it. You're gonna use it for schedule, for meetings, for collaboration, lots of things. Question now. How do we make this integration works? Well, as Rama mentioned, it's a client-based solution. So once you jump into your Teams, you guys are just gonna go click on apps.
Yeah.
Let's do it right over here.
Yeah.
In the search bar here, we'll just need to type in Linkus. That's all you need there, guys.
Yeah.
Search Linkus, and you can find this one. Start Linkus. Add this one on your Microsoft Teams.
Yeah.
Just like that simple, guys.
Yeah. We can just click add.
Yeah, let's do this.
Adding. And here we
There
go.
you go. You guys can see this interface, right? And this interface will actually ask you to enter the domain name of your PBX.
Yeah.
So if you're using P-Series Appliance Edition or the Software Edition, what you're gonna do right now is pretty simple. Log into your system, make sure you got the enterprise plan subscribed and enable the FQDN.
Yeah.
That's the domain name we're gonna use here.
Yeah. Let's just
Sure. I already got the the domain name.
Yeah. By the way, guys, this integration, well, all the process we have shown are the things that you have to do to realize integration. Nothing else. That means you don't have to get into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to do anything. No. Okay. This is a client-to-client integration. Okay. So if you have a Microsoft Teams by your hand, which comes with application, right? Then you can just follow our lead. You can do the same thing, okay?
Yeah,
you will find our apps.
Yeah. But anyway, let's keep going.
Yeah,
so
let's keep
step
going.
one, we use the FQDN, and as you guys, something's changing right now.
Yeah.
We have another interface, which will ask you to enter your user account.
Yeah.
That's client-based solution.
Yeah, let's put it in there.
So let me just log in with my extension, all right? That's quite easy, I guess. This is not a big deal. Here we go.
Extension number.
And your password.
And your password.
And I'm just in.
Allow, of course. Allowed it.
Sure.
And here we go.
Yeah, that's it. And this is my extension account.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, I got my extension groups. So whatever I want to do here, I can just switch it there.
Well, by the way, you only have to do it the first time you log in.
That's right.
The system will memorize your identity, and you won't have to put in everything, going through all the process again.
Yeah. And as for how do we use it, I'm pretty sure you guys know how to use this.
Yeah.
This is exactly the same way how you're going to use it on your Linkus Desktop Client.
Yeah. So all the features are here. So if you need to make a call, there you go.
Use the dial pad.
Yeah, they use the dial pad. If you want to call your contact, you can copy the number and put it here, and the calls are made directly from Microsoft Teams interface.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. It really makes sense. It's really a reasonable solution, right?
Yeah.
Think about it. We use Microsoft Teams to manage a whole bunch of contacts. Next time, you don't need to switch from the Teams to your phone system. All you need to do there is just stay focused on the Teams. You're going to make this call directly. That's really awesome. And also, by the way, I think something interesting here is probably some of you guys may have another question is, hey, what if I'm going to use Microsoft Teams original solution for phone calls? So what's the difference?
Yeah. Well, okay, so guys, here's the deal, okay? So through the whole process, we haven't purchased anything.
Yeah, we never purchased anything, guys.
Yeah. This is the truth, okay? So the thing is, guys, there are other options because we understand that a lot of people are spending most of their time communicating, working on their Microsoft Teams, right? And phone system is actually another important part of their daily communication.
Exactly.
Like for example, if they want to make a phone call to their Microsoft Team contact, they have to memorize the number, copy the number, dial on their IP phones. That's troublesome, that's inconvenient, and you may make mistakes, right? And most importantly, all the data are isolated.
Yeah, something like your call logs, your recordings. Anyway,
your
if you want to
voicemail.
check it,
Your voicemail.
you're going to get back to the phone system.
Yeah, but if you spend most of your time on Teams, you won't get notification.
Exactly.
So you won't know if you got a voicemail. And there is a big chance that you will miss this voicemail for good. So it's not good. Okay, so we try to make try to realize the integration and make everything accessible, right?
Yeah.
So this is the deal. Now
Sure.
we have voicemails, we have call logs, we have recordings.
Yeah.
We can make phone calls directly, and we can make outbound calls, no problem. As long as we have the integration, we can just directly put in the number or copy the number here. From this here and make the phone call directly.
Exactly.
This is how it works. Okay.
Sure.
So, well, the thing is, well, Microsoft have their own original solution.
Yeah.
Right.
As I
This
just
is what you
mentioned.
mentioned. Yeah. The thing is, well, if you guys are familiar with their solution, there are problems because, well, firstly, it's called Microsoft Phone Standard.
Yeah.
Well, it's not free.
Not free.
Yeah. So based on the original subscription you already have, you have to get an additional subscription for $8 per user per month to be able to make phone calls. So you will basically get a standard, a basic cloud PBX
right.
from Microsoft.
Features are very limited. I guess you'll only have like 5 or 6 features.
Yeah, well, basic features.
Kind of like
basic features. And by the way, you won't have direct trunk connection, right?
Yeah, that means you don't have your number.
Yeah, so if you want to bring your number here, bring your trunk here, you have to also buy an certified SBC, right, which is costful.
Extremely expensive, guys.
It has to be certified by Microsoft. So you can imagine. So it's quite expensive, right?
Sure.
But if you don't have your own trunk, you can also get a trunk from Microsoft, and that's more expensive. You will have
you
to
can upgrade your plan, but the price will be double, I guess.
Yeah, $15 per
Sure.
user per month. And by the way, it's not available in all countries.
Sure.
Yeah, so the thing is, guys, well, it's very expensive to make phone calls on Teams, but a lot of people still need it. They need to make this happen in an economical way.
Sure.
Yeah, so this is what we do here. So let's make it clear. Okay, so now to make Teams calls, we have to get, first of all,
Microsoft Teams.
Business Basic.
Yep, that's right. This is the preparation step 1.
Yeah, but if you have higher version, of course.
Not a problem.
Not a problem, okay. And then you will have to get Linkus Desktop.
Right.
Free.
Right.
Yeah. And then you have to get P-Series PBX,
System,
Software Edition, Cloud Edition, or Appliance Edition. So all the editions, sorry.
Yeah.
And you have to get the enterprise plan.
Subscription plan. Don't forget it, because we use the FQDN.
Yeah, so this is everything that you need. Compared to the other options, it's so much more economical, right? It will offer you way more competitivity if you are shooting for a project.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a ready-to-go solution because for most of our customers, they all have Teams, they all have the PBX, and pretty sure you will get the subscription plan. That's basically all you need.
Yeah.
And it's just ready to go. Once and for all solution. The point here is it's totally for free, guys.
Yeah, totally for free, and you will have all the features. You can make outbound calls, you can make internal calls, you can check all your all your data directly from Microsoft Teams.
Sure.
Cool, right?
Yeah. Why not?
Why not? Okay. Yeah, so this is Microsoft Teams integration. Yeah, if you have any questions.
Well, I guess we probably got some questions. Let's just take a look. Let's just take a look.
Alex have problem finding the app. Well, the thing is, you can just sign out from your old account, and signing back, you will find it out.
Sure.
Okay.
Just refresh it.
Refresh it. That's because of the you have. Okay.
Okay. What else? Any other questions?
Yeah. There are many. There are a lot of other questions. There are. Yeah. Once again, if you have problem finding the apps, just sign out.
Yeah.
And logging back again.
Right.
You will find it out.
Sure.
Okay. It is already available. Yeah. So guys, you can try it out. Okay. So let's move on.
Let's just keep going. All right.
Yeah.
So we mentioned this time we have important updates for the integration with Microsoft.
Yeah.
Well, obviously we still have something left.
Yeah.
Right.
One last thing. Well, it's not actually a new integration, but a upgrade. Right. On Azure AD integration.
Yeah.
On Azure AD integration.
Sure.
And with Azure AD integration, well, originally we do have it, right?
Yeah.
We can integrate the users.
You can sync your user, your group. You can also have single sign-on.
Yeah. And this time we have added 2 new integrations.
Yep.
The first one is personal and shared mailbox contacts from your Azure AD.
Azure AD.
Yeah. So that means all the contacts from Azure AD, the ones that you're probably using in your Teams or your Outlooks, can be synced directly to the PBX.
To your PBX. Yeah. And the second one, it's real interesting, by the way, guys. Take a look. It's a synchronized Teams presence to your extension. That's really cool, by the way.
Yeah.
So, for example, next time you want to switch your Microsoft Teams status to Do Not Disturb.
Yeah.
Okay.
And your extension will be.
It will also be, posting Do Not Disturb.
Yeah. So this is actually one-way integration because the status on Teams are, read only.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Right. But anyway, it's not a big deal, but it really helps. Cool feature.
Yeah.
Love it.
Love it. Yeah. Okay. So then we have, these are the integrations that we're going to be talking about. Then we have 2 important enhancement on our system security.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, you guys know that security is always a big deal.
Yeah.
Especially when we talk about an IP system, right?
Yeah.
So this time, to make it better, we give you guys 2 enhancements. Let's just take a look.
Let's find out. Okay.
Sure.
So the first one is, two-factor authentication.
Right.
Yeah.
2FA is supported now. And it's not just supported now, guys. This time, you can use our 2FA on your P-Series System configuration portal. This is the first one. And the second one is you can also use 2FA function for all of your Linkus clients, your mobile client, PC client, and the web client. Sounds cool, right?
Yeah.
Not just all this, all right? And the last one is going to be YCM. So you can even use 2FA on your Yaster Central Management.
Yeah. So it's now totally supported, right? Let's just show them how it works.
Sure.
Okay.
Let's take a look. Okay. So when we try to use the 2FA, the two-factor authentication, simply log into your system. Now, I'm just going to take my web client as an example. What we're going to do right now is we can just click on our user account here and go check on this. Change password and security. And go for security settings. Here you can find two-factor authentication. Enable this one, and the system will ask you to enter your password. So now, I'm just going to enter my password to enable 2FA. Okay, here we go. Now, once we enable the 2FA, the system gives you 2 options, by the way. The first one, you guys can choose to scan the QR code. You can use the authenticator on your mobile. This is the option 1.
Yeah.
And also, by the way, I think we support many authenticators.
Yeah, you can see here, I believe you can see clearly, we support Google Authenticator, Free OTP, Twilio Authy, and Microsoft Authenticator.
Sure.
Right, so you just download the app on your mobile and you use your phones as your authenticator.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. This is option 1.
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't want to get the authenticator. That's fine. Not a problem. Let's try the option 2. You can also choose to enable the email for the authentication. So next time you also get the authentication code through your mailbox.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is how you guys know it's not a strange concept,
Sure,
right?
sure.
The whole point here is we want to enhance your security. As we have mentioned, it is supported on Linkus mobile, desktop, web, your admin, and at the same time your YCN.
Exactly.
So it's all around protection. Well, guys, the thing is, there are so many things, dramas going on about using your clients lately. You guys
I know what
that.
you're talking about.
Yeah, you guys know that. I believe you guys know that. We're all in this business.
Sure.
So we do care about your security. This is actually why we add 2FA, right? You will need it, especially when you are using clients for remote connection.
Sure.
Right?
Sure, yeah.
So this is especially important, critical to protect you. And here in Yaster, we do cares.
That's right.
Yeah.
We're going to take the responsibility for handling all this.
Yeah.
First of all, you guys know that all of our clients are totally provided by Yaster directly.
Our products.
Without any third party.
Without
any third party. And we have FQDN for the remote connection. That security is enhanced. And now you can also enable the 2FA. Well, double protection.
Yeah, so we're going to do all we can to protect your system.
Sure.
That's our job. Yeah. Okay, so speaking of which, let's get into the other.
The second one.
The second one
for the security enhancement. Well, the first one is the 2FA. That means something for your access. All right. When you try to access the system, we can enhance the security part. And the second part is when you are in the system, you want to enhance the security, pretty much sure is you're going to set firewalls, right? So this time we give you a better solution for helping you guys to make your job way much easier when you try to configure your firewall.
Yeah.
Which is by using our new feature, the global anti-hacking IP Blocklist.
Yeah. So we use a industrial standardized IP block list.
Sure.
So that means a lot of the suspicious IP address that have bad history is already included here.
Yeah.
We will adopt, if you agree, right? Here you can, as you can see, you can check the function, right? To check to enable the function. So that means if you agree, you can adopt to this IP block list automatically. So that means, you know, all those IP block lists, all those IP will be just blocked.
Sure,
and
exactly.
You can, you know,
well, like I said, it makes your job way much easier. You don't have to figure out, hey, what kind of firewall am I supposed to configure on the system? Well, let's make it easy, guys. How about you use this, you know, the database?
Yeah.
Right? Join the program, use the database, and these suspicious IP addresses are just going to be created with this block list on your system automatically.
Yeah, and we do not only offer the block list, we also want to invite you to join our program, right?
Us.
There is another option here, report PBX's IP block list.
Sure.
That means if you enable this feature,
Yep.
that means you agree to give us the permanently blocked IP from your own block list, right? And you let us know so that we will receive it and our security team will evaluate them, and if they are really dangerous ones, really bad ones, we will add them into our global IP block list.
Sure. In other words, we're going to build up this database together.
Yeah, we will upgrade this list together constantly, right? So yeah, once again, you will be able to contributing to the security of the whole Yaystar community.
Right. Benefits for all of our partners.
Yeah,
thank you for your contribution.
Yeah. By the way, those features are.
Yeah, it depends on you.
It depends on you.
Fully depends on you.
It's not enabled by default. So you have to enable it by yourself. Okay, so if you don't want to use this IP block list, or if you want to keep the block list to yourself, it's okay. You just keep it this way. And, okay. And this is it. Okay. All right. So yeah, guys, these are the two
important updates for security enhancement on the P-Series system.
Yeah. And well, besides that, we have some other features that we might want to talk about.
We also have some other side features, kind of like a side features.
Yeah. But they are equally important, but you know, more easier to explain. So we won't spend that much time. First of all, hot desking is back.
Yeah. It's supported. Now, if you guys are going to use like a Azure Office or Azure extension, well, off you go. You can just enable hot desking for your extension. That's exactly what you can do now.
Yeah, and we have added new IP phones for auto provision. We got Mitel, we got Alcatel, and there we have the models listed here. These are the models that we support on this upgrade. And by the way, Alcatel are also added for cloud PBX auto provision. And one more thing, they support DHCP auto provision only. So
just don't forget to enable DHCP mode
DHCP mode for them. Okay, so yeah, this is it, right?
Yeah, I guess so far that was all the updates on the P-Series
we're not over yet. We're not over yet.
But we're not.
There are still new things to come, right? So
what's the last one?
Okay, then we have another feature to make your work a lot easier.
I believe you're going to talk about something on YCM, right?
Yeah, exactly. As you can see the title.
Yeah, take a look. Well, that's really awesome, right?
PBX Provisioning Template. That
yeah.
means you can use a template to automatically configure your new PBX's access, plural, inbox.
Right, right.
Yeah.
You know, we use YCM a lot for our daily management. Your appliance edition, software edition, and cloud edition, you can manage all of them. That's what we can do before.
Yeah.
Well, this time, guys, not just the management, not just creating a PBX, you know, set some sort of schedule, upgrade them. You can also use the template to configure a whole bunch of PBXs by one time.
Yeah, well, We explained this. Jason has explained this actually. So for sure, it works on Cloud Edition because with Cloud Edition, you probably are creating a bunch of PBXs every day, and they all comes with similar configurations, similar parameters. Because if the customer don't have special requirements, but you have to repeat the same thing over and over again,
that's terrible.
So we want to save you some time. But if you are using Software Edition and Appliance Edition, it's also supported, even though they are local-based, they're local server, right? So you can also directly, remotely provision your hardware P-Series PBX and software P-Series PBX in bulk with your template as well.
Well, how about we just take a look? Well, you just mentioned Appliance Edition. Well, and I just remember I think I got the P570 maybe registered on my Panel portal. I'm sorry, the YCM. So let's take a look. Now I'm gonna jump into my YCM and let's see how do we use this template configuration feature for our Appliance Edition. Just an example. Okay. So this time you guys get this update. The step 1 for you will be this. You go check on repository and you can find we have provisioning template.
This is a new item.
That's right. And over here you can see I got the 2 templates. And let's just create a new one. Set a new template here. Step 1, you're gonna name your template. Well, I guess I can name it as T1, which is template 1. Okay. And then let's start our configuration. Okay. You can set your extensions one by one. For example, I will have 5 extensions. Start with 1000. I can set a voicemail for them. Maybe I can have some customization for it, right? And then we can also set features, Linkus clients. I think we can keep the default. That would be fine for me. And then keep going. You can even set the trunk as well. Let's just create a trunk for the Appliance Edition. Okay. So
so all the configuration parameters are there. Just put them in.
Sure. I'm gonna make an account trunk because this is easy. This is easier for me. All right. Now save this one and keep going. You can also set the call control part.
As you can see, your inbound route, outbound route, your core features, your IVR, and all the important settings and system-based PBX settings and system settings are all available for you to set. Okay, so you can have a template to complete all the basic configurations for a phone system, and you just apply it to the PBXs, and there you go, right?
So we're gonna save this template. Okay, we have template 1. T1, okay.
T1, this is the one you have just created.
What's the second step? Well, the second step, we're gonna apply for it. So we're gonna go check on task. Here we have scheduled task, all right? Let's just make a schedule. Over here, you're gonna add this new schedule. So I'm gonna call this as, schedule. I would like to call this S1, okay. Make it easier. And here we have object type. We choose Appliance Edition. There you go.
This is an example, okay? So we're gonna show you how to do it.
All these editions are supported. Okay. Then the task here we will use provision. Okay. Choose the template. So I'm gonna use T1.
So that means the system will create a task to provision PBXs. PBXs according to the time that you have set, or just do it immediately.
Immediately, depends on it. And then, one last step, we're gonna assign our PBX right over here.
So all the PBXs that you see directly from here, from this list, let's just...
we can cancel this.
Cancel this a little bit, this PBX that is visible here are the PBXs that you have already added in your remote management platform. So that means this feature is related to remote management. We actually have a new subscription for this feature, which is Remote Management Premium.
That's right. Oh, be careful, guys. If you only have remote management, I'm sorry, you cannot use this feature. Just hold on a second. If you only have remote management, you can only use the the common features,
old features,
like always.
Remote management.
If you want to use the template to configure them, don't forget to upgrade your remote management to the Remote Management Premium account.
If you guys want to check it out, you can just go to your partner portal to find out what is a Remote Management Premium, and if you're using it, you can upgrade it. And here we have a form to explain this. So if you're using Appliance Edition and Software Edition, of course you will need Remote Management Premium. And if you're using PCE Turnkey, then of course you don't need it. It is already supported.
You can just use it.
You can just use this directly. Yes, this is how it works.
Yeah.
And by the way, well, if you guys want to try it out, there are 30-day free trial available for RMP, the Remote Management Premium.
Check on your
in your partner portal. 30-day free trial. And here, additionally, we have a chance for you to upgrade your remote management if you're already using one.
Today also Ramon got a bonus for you guys.
Yeah.
So this is an official bonus for you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Official bonus from this live stream. He actually got a additional bonus. So what is it?
I talked to some people. And the thing is, guys, so if you want to upgrade your remote management to remote management platinum, premium, not platinum, premium. Maybe platinum is a better name. I don't know. I don't know. Premium. You can apply for a P-Series Software Edition free trial.
Right.
And activate it. It means it doesn't mean you have to buy the free trial.
You just get the free trial. Enable it.
Yeah. Put in the activate code and use it.
Sure.
You don't have to pay for it.
Right.
Use it. Try it out. Install it, and you will be getting a free RMP for 1 year.
1 year, guys.
1 year free subscription.
This one is for 30 days. Well, his bonus is actually for 1 year. So don't forget to apply for the P-Series Software Edition and enable it. Okay, activate your Software Edition trial license.
Yeah.
You got a 1 year remote management premium account.
Yeah. Once again, it doesn't mean you have to buy it.
Yeah.
You don't have to commercialize it. You it's just a free trial, and you just enable it, use it, actually use it, install it, and there you go.
Yeah.
You can get the free RMP for 1 year.
Special offer from him.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess our team has already sent out the link in the chat. You guys can, click on it and take a look.
Sure.
Yeah. Take a look.
And please just take a look in the chat panel.
Get
the link. Get your trial license and upgrade your remote management to the remote management premium account.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so this is basically all the new things that we're going to be talking about.
All the updates on the P-Series system.
At the beginning, when you were not here, we just mentioned.
Did you just mention something?
I mentioned the piloting 2023 contest.
Okay.
Yeah.
The ticket. Now I see it.
Yeah. So we have to explain this a little bit more. Okay. Our team will send a link in the chat so you guys can click on the link and see our campaign. Right. This is called piloting 2023 contest. So the marketing team has prepared a series of activities which you can participate.
Right.
And by joining those activities, you will
be entries.
You will get entries. So with more entries, you have better chance to win the bigger prize in the final lucky draw. So what is the prize?
Well, the biggest one, guys. It's just a ticket, all right? It's a round-trip ticket for you guys to visit our office, Xiamen,
China.
Yeah, that's right.
Visit us. So the thing is, guys, this is a free ticket, round trip ticket. That means we will fly you over and we will send you back. Yeah. And there are no limitations. So that means as long as you live on this planet, we will fly you over.
Sure.
Okay, you can live in South Pole. We will still fly you over and send you back.
Sure.
Okay, so don't worry about it. And by the way, we also you guys, our team also put the secret code for the entry. Yeah, this is basically a car plate.
That's a car plate.
YS8723. This is a secret code. You put in the secret code, you get a 10 free entries, right?
Yeah.
And by the way, anybody who get 45 entries will get $100 coupon to buy Yaestar subscription product.
Yeah.
Any subscription
products, you can use that $100 coupon to buy it.
45 entries. 45 entries is what it takes to get the $100 coupons. So guys, please enjoy the activity and get your bonus, right?
Sure.
And we want to see you. We really do want to see you. It's been years.
Face to face. I mean,
really. It's been years. Yeah. It's been years. So we want to see you in our office. We cannot wait to give you a room tour in our office, new office. So guys, please join us.
Sure.
Okay, so I guess this is pretty much it.
Now let's just have a check on some questions. Okay.
Yeah, we got many questions. The feature is good for adding Cisco IP phones. Cisco IP phone actually, this is not official information, but personal information from me. We have actually added several models from Cisco to auto provision for a project that we had. But I don't know if it's official yet. I don't know if where you can get it, but we do support some features. Some
that's right.
models for Cisco
some
IP
models
phones
are supported.
Yeah.
So actually, I think it depends on the project. Not a problem. Depends on the project. You can check with our team for more details. Absolutely.
Okay, so yes, does this also work on mobile device? I don't know when are you.
Mobile device. You mean the desktop client or mobile client? If that's what you're talking about, once
Teams.
again,
It must be Teams.
Teams. Okay. Teams currently you can just use it on the desktop.
Only desktop.
On the desktop.
Only desktop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anne and Anne has taken Anne and Giovanni. Giovanni has taken most of the questions.
Cool.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. So by the way, if any offer to trade up from S series to P series, from Christopher Guy. Okay, offer to trade up from S series to P series. Well, I don't know because I'm not in charge of that and in charge of business part, and I haven't got any information about it. But surely, this is actually a good idea. Right? Maybe you can talk to your account manager or anybody or somebody to.
So please just feel free to chat with our team. Okay.
That's actually a good idea. Maybe we can do that.
Probably.
But I'm not the decision maker in this kind of.
I mean, it might be possible if you guys just deliver the message to our team.
Yeah.
You know, we always do this kind of thing. We, you know, just work together with our partners. We have discussion, and then eventually we're going to provide you guys something new. As always.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Deploying a P550 in few days. Very excited. Had a deploy S20 and it was a lot of fun and enjoyable doing it. Yes. Once again, guys, thank you so much for your support. By the way, when you upgrade the system, it's already available. By the way, you upgrade your firmware and you will have all those features. One more thing, please. We seriously invite you to join our program to report your IP blacklist, permanent IP blacklist to us, and once again, enhance the security for everybody, for all customers, for all users who are using your
We're
stuff.
just going to work together to enhance the security for all of us, for this community.
Yeah, it really takes cooperation, teamwork to do this. So guys, it's optional, but we really want you to be here. Yeah, we need your help. Okay, so I guess if we don't receive more questions, most of the questions are also taken by Anne and Giovanni. Thank you, Giovanni. Who's Giovanni? Italian name? Who's Giovanni? I don't know a Giovanni in our team. Well, maybe I only know the Chinese name. Okay, so yeah, most of the questions are taken. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Once again, we probably will end the live streaming for now. But if you have questions, you can post it here. Our team will be there for a while to take your questions. I guess that'll be it for us.
Yeah, that would just be, all for today's live stream. Once again, thank you so much. And don't forget to check in the chat panel for all these links, okay?
And
get the application, get the trial license, get whatever you need there. All these are the bonuses from Yaystar.
And subscribe our YouTube channel.
Sure.
Subscribe it. By the way, we also have a lot of activities after June. A lot of activities. Our marketing team are working on that. But we cannot we cannot let you know what
Stop
are they.
your spoiler, okay?
Yeah. They are giving me very serious look right now. They are just in front of us. All those marketing teams. Okay. So guys. We have a lot of activities, so please just follow us on our social media, on our YouTube channel, and you will get all the informations as soon as possible. Okay?
That's right.
I guess that's it for us. Okay, here, SMS through Linkus. Yeah. You really, Stefan, from your name, I see you probably are not, you are maybe, I don't know from which country are you, but the thing is, we're working on it. We will support SMS on Linkus.
pretty soon.
Pretty soon. Yeah. We are working very hard on that.
Yeah, well, that's another spoiler.
Yeah.
Come on.
Well, I can let. I just
Well, the director said that's okay. That's okay, right?
Yeah. Okay, Stefan. Okay, you're from Czech. Okay, good. So yeah, we're working on the SMS on Linkus. It will be supported. So will WhatsApp.
Exactly.
Yeah. So will WhatsApp. I don't know if one will come after another. I don't know. I don't know. But yes, they will be supported. It's on our list.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Czech Republic. Yes. Greetings and salute you. Okay, thank you, Stefan. Yeah. Okay, so I guess well, okay. If you have issues, well, our team are here. They can always help you. As we said, we will end the live stream pretty soon.
Yeah.
But our team will be there for a while, and they will be talking and taking all your questions. Okay.
The channel is still open.
The channel is still open. Okay. So that's it.
Yeah, officially, that's it.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
And we will see you as possible.
Sure.
And please come.
Yeah, please come to visit our
Come to
office.
visit us. Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So, see you guys.
See you guys. Have a nice day.